Next Friday is expected to be the highest volume trading day of the year as the highly anticipated Russell rebalancing is completed. Hello everybody, I'm Angela Miles with the Russell Report, and I'm so pleased to have with me today FTSE Russell Director of Product Management, Catherine Yoshimoto, to tell us all about the Russell Reconstitution that will be taking place this year on June 24th. Catherine, please start by telling us what's the annual Russell Reconstitution and how does it work?
Russell Reconstitution, or Recon, is the annual rebalance of the Russell indexes. Essentially, membership in indexes like the large cap Russell 1000 and small cap Russell 2000 is reset. Eligible companies are ranked by size to form the newly reconstituted Russell indexes, which takes effect at the close of U.S. markets on June 24th.
Why is this market event so closely watched by market participants, and how important is it for investors?
Russell Reconstitution is widely followed due to the approximately $12 trillion benchmark to a Russell index. Passive and active fund managers and traders following the Russell indexes are preparing for the index changes to take effect on June 24th. Russell Recon Day is generally one of the busiest trading days of the year, with, on average, $119 billion traded at the close of the last 5 reconstitutions.
What are the main highlights and notable changes that we can anticipate this year?
The closely watched breakpoint between the Russell 1000 and Russell 2000 indexes declined to $4.6 billion this year from a record high of $5.2 billion in 2021. This reflects the market volatility that began late last year and also demonstrates why we reconstitute the indexes annually. Preliminary additions and deletions lists for the Russell 3000 and Russell Microcap indexes are posted to our website, and some names you might recognize include WeWork, Airbnb, Coinbase, and Robinhood. Industry shifts are relatively minor. However, with energy's standout performance over the past year, it's no surprise that 6 Russell 2000 energy companies will be moving up into the Russell 1000 index.
I know you're paying close attention to the IPO market. What can we expect for the Russell U.S. indices this year?
19 IPOs will be added to the Russell 2000 index in June 2022. There are no IPO additions to the Russell 1000 index. Healthcare is adding the highest number of companies, with 6 companies joining the Russell 2000 index as IPO additions, followed by financials, industrials, and utilities.
Before you take off, what role does transparency play in the Russell Reconstitution process?
We like to call Russell Reconstitution one of the most anticipated and orderly index rebalance events because of the transparency that we provide into the methodology that we use and the communication that we provide to the market into what's changing. Our transparent and thoughtful reconstitution process includes using primary exchange closing prices from NYSE and NASDAQ to complete this year's Russell Reconstitution, using NYSE's auction mechanism and NASDAQ's closing cross mechanism to execute shares for each stock at a single price on Friday, June 24th.
Thank you for your time today, Catherine. I'm Angela Miles, and I'll see you here next week.